Pierre and Friends is a channel about a group of buddies who like to live in the fast lane. Infused of a cast of degenerate fun-havers: Pierre, Luke, Sammy, Anthony, Chris, Mike, and you can't forget Big Tone.
I don't want the money, give the money, but it's my money, motherfucker.
They plan on sharing their adventures with the world. Today's episode will dive into Pierre installing his titanium axle back exhaust. So buckle up for the ride, for this is Pierre and Friends.
How's everyone doing on this fine day? My name is Pierre, otherwise known as M3P. So on this channel, we're gonna be calling it Pierre and Friends. Very simple. It's literally gonna be me and my good friends, and we're gonna be documenting our journey that we have together, whether it involve cars, our lifestyle, or anything else. And today we're gonna be installing my new full titanium axle back on the M3. Let's get into it. All right, ladies and gents, this is the moment of truth. This is the moment that I have been waiting for. And now I need to figure out how I'm gonna get this thing open. I am finally smelling that Chinese air. So first we went from Gwangju, China to Zhangzhou, China. And after Zhangzhou, China, we went to somewhere in Korea. And after Korea, we went to Anchorage, Alaska. And after Anchorage, Alaska, we went to Louisville, Kentucky. Back down to the South Bay here in San Diego. And back down to the neighborhood here at El Cajon. Let's go ahead and get this puppy open. We're breathing in that Chinese air, baby. And boy, does it smell good. Congrats, guys. In this box, we have another box. Do you smell that? It smells like titanium. Did I bring extra underwear today? I am not sure. Some of you guys thought you got a tip out there? Look at that. Can't wait to get this on. All right, so we got one tip. I mean, I don't just want to start like cutting stuff. Oh, those feel good. Yeah, that's hot. Titanium. Titanium. I gotta say, the welds are really nice. I'm actually very impressed. Inside of there, this one is always open, and this one's gonna be your valve system. Controller box, like the cigarette lighter port and the antenna, the keys. Let's just get all the tips out, I guess. I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll go ahead and bring you guys back once we're all done. All right, gents. Well, I got everything out and unpacked. Now I'm gonna go ahead and like roughly put together these tips. I wanna be able to jimmy everything in or loosen it, but first impressions, the welds look insane. The build quality looks insane. And just the overall look, I can't wait to get rid of that big underhanging muffler in the back and get two clean pipes, so. All right. You gotta let me know what you think, man.
Oh shit.
You like it? It's like loosely clamped on once we get it on the car. And it has the valve. If you look on the inside, it has the open and close valve. And then there's a remote, so we hook up the vacuum lines to this.
You can do it from inside?
Yeah, and then I have a button that I press here. If a cop pulls me over, I close it. He can't tell me my exhaust is too loud because it's not.
Straight like this.
Yeah, it's loud.
Is louder.
And then this one has an actual muffler. Yeah? So we're gonna get it.
You're gonna have to bless it for us.
Yeah, you're gonna have to bless it for us.
Blessing.
Especially this.
Special blessing for that. I'm gonna call the Pope friend. Or write him and check. Maybe there is. You know, it's German. You never know.
You never know with these guys. That's my priest. He's a beautiful guy. If you're ever in El Cajon area, you want to catch a good mass over in El Cajon, great place to stop by over at St. Ephraim Church. Before we get the car on the lift, let's go ahead and get a sound check so you can see a before and after at the end of the clip.
David, take it out. He said take it, leave it.
Is it really an exhaust video if we don't get a before? Take a look at these nasty stock, sunken in, you can't even see tip, big hanging old muffler, heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and give this thing one last cold start before we take it off and install the new system. The exhaust is nice. I mean, the stock exhaust looks cool, the way it's staggered, double walled, it's all right. You know, not really much more you could ask for of a stock exhaust. But boy, BMW sucks at giving the car an exhaust note from the factory. I heard the C63 AMG come by the other day, and that exhaust note out of the box is nuts. We're in a rush here, guys. We're trying to get the system on. We might have Tony get hot with us. We might not. We're just only gonna have to find out. Oh, Tony's gonna get so hot on me right now. Tony, it's gonna take 30 minutes, man. I'll be out of your hair in 30 minutes.
Put it in that big. I'm gonna move that one.
You're kidding me, I'm right here, man.
No, this one's too big for it.
I already got it on, look.
No.
Tony, it's already up.
No.
Look.
No. I need that lift. That's for big truck.
But it's the same lift.
Sucker. Bring it
Oh,
over
this
right
is Tony's first example of fucking with me. We have this lift, which is the same exact lift
here. No, it's not.
as the other lift. What's the difference?
The fuck kind of camera is that?
Alrighty guys, we are under the E92 M3. I got the axle back right on top of my camera guy, and this is the last time I'm gonna look at it installed to the system. Basically, we got 2 clamps, we're gonna take them off, we got a couple grommets, we're gonna slice them and dice them, we're gonna take it off, put the new system on, and have a good time, hear how it sounds. We're looking good, looks like it's gonna fit, but it looks like it didn't come with the nuts. So it's BYON. You gotta bring your own nuts. There we go. And I have the tips to adjust it if not.
This looks sketchy, man.
Nah, dude. There you go. Okay.
ركب الثاني.
Yeah. Okay. There you go. Rotate it.
Just 1 second.
Should I just leave them like this? You know how crazy that would sound? Oh, look at how heavy this shit is. Oh, that's, I don't want to break my back. That's heavy. Like the tips, Tony? Look at this shit, dude. There you go. Yeah, the left side is on perfect. It's still like too drooped. With the bracket, I think we'll fix it.
بدك تعرف تعمل لي شو adjust right?
Hey, Mike, do me a favor. Tell me, is that good?
هذا هيك. ظهر شوي.
Heck, eh?
Okay.
No, Tony, that's perfect. Dad, don't touch it. Heck him near.
It's crooked, dude.
Hold on, this side is done.
Oh.
Sammy, hop in. Sammy, hop in. Start it up. Wow, that looks fucking good, dude. That looks clean. يعطيك العافية يا هيثم. It already sounds a lot deeper. It's like metal flakes coming out. Wow. Listen to that cold start. That's what we needed, huh, Luke? There we go, man. Sammy, give me a rev. There you go. I'm gonna take it for a drive real quick. Let me see how it sounds. All right, let's drop it. Sammy, kill it. Should I not even install them? No. Somebody hop in with me. Let's do this. This is my first ever, like, really modification on a car. I don't even know how I'm gonna throw the valves on. I like that. I don't have to drive the car so hard now. You know what I mean? Like before I had to be pushing the shit out of the car to get like a nice rev match or... Oh, that's way better, dude. Sounds a lot meaner. They sound very throaty.
That's what it should sound like.
Sounds like high pitched.
Sounds OEM plus.
How does it sound?
How it finally should sound.
Sounds good, huh?
Sounds great.
Sammy, hop in. Do some revs for me, bro. I want to hear it. What are you revving it to? 4. Dude, that sounds crazy. A big tone? Tell me that's not clean, baby.
I won't fuck with it. I'll leave it the way it is.
I want to close the valves for when I'm coming to the hidden neighborhood at night, bro.
It's not that bad.
No? I'm talking about that's a perfect way to finish an install.
You're taking
I love how there's no more of that big nutsack in the back of the car. Look at that shit, dude. Diffuser, I need a little longer tips. If you guys have made it this far, thank you so much. And if you guys like the video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. It'll definitely motivate me to make more of these videos and go ahead and document my entire journey with this car and my life in general and my friends. So big shout out to everyone that helped me make this possible today. You guys are all awesome and I can't do anything without you guys. So thank you so much. Alrighty, y'all, well, it's been about a week or two with this exhaust setup, and I wanted to give you guys kind of an update towards the end. We didn't initially install the valves when I first put the exhaust on, just because I wanted to run it al dente, see how it sounded. But recently we went ahead and put the valves on. It's about a 20-minute process. I will say the car gradually did get louder. First day was definitely the quietest, and every day after that, it just got louder and louder and louder, which is great. But that kind of made me want to go ahead and throw the valve system on. Now that we went ahead and installed everything, everything is broken in, and we have the true sound, we're going to go ahead and fire it up on the cold start and show you guys how it sounds. Well, guys, as you... One second, I don't think you guys can hear me. Well, guys, as you can see, the exhaust sounds a lot louder on cold start, and it sounds a lot quieter with the valve closed. So having this little thingy-mababa right here is a great option on the car. You get to go stealth, you get to go incognito whenever you want, and you just get to have fun doing this. Take a look. Oh, what was that? It's too loud for you? It's stock, I promise. If you guys have made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching, guys. It means so much. We're gonna be doing a lot of fun stuff here on Pierre and Friends. If you guys want to see more fun stuff like this, please go ahead and drop a like and subscribe down below. Also, leave a comment at what type of stuff you want to see in the future. So if you guys want to see more content like this, please drop a like or thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Pierre and Friends, signing off.